These POV animal videos are going super viral right now, and I'll quickly show you how to make them as fast as possible. Step 1. Create images. Firstly, we need to prepare some images of micro-animal POV in realist style. Actually, we can use HitPaw Photopea to do that easily. I will put the official access link in the description. Click on the AI generator. Then click on Text to Image. On the right panel, we want to select the latest Nano Banana Pro model. Then enter the prompt in the box up here. If you have no idea what to write, I have prepared a prompt template attached in the description. Just replace it with the animals you like. Here I am using a beetle as an example. Then click on Generate, and it will create the image like this. Save it in your device for later. Step 2. Image to video. Secondly, we are using HitPaw VicP to animate the image with audio. Go to Video. Select AI Video Generator. Here you can choose different AI video generator models, and you can check a different kind of it until you find the perfect one. Here I will use VO3 as an example. Import the image as the first frame. Again, we want to type in the video prompt in the box. I will also put my video prompt in the description. You can simply customize it yourself. Select the duration, resolution, and aspect ratio. Click on Generate. And when it is completed, we can have the micro-animal POV video like this. Lastly, we can use video editing softwares like CapCut to combine the clips together and add subtitles in the video. Share it with your friends to have fun. Alright, that's the share for this video. Hope it helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI contents and tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.